What's up guys, what's up girls, my name is Nikita, it is Sms-man channel, Sms-man blog, Sms-man company, and now I would like to talk with you about ChatGPT. Nowadays, ChatGPT, it is one of the most popular platforms with artificial intelligence where you can do your homework for free or something else. You should try it. I'm making this video for the third time, so I will explain all briefly and clearly. Well, I can repeat, ChatGPT, it is one of the most popular platforms where you can generate texts, do math for you and something else. You should try it. So, in this video I can explain how we can register in ChatGPT with our company Sms-man without phone number. Let's go!
Let's go, bro.
So, what we should do? For the first time, we can open a site and go downstairs and find login. Well, click on it. Okay, and what we have, register with email address. Whoops. And what we should do? We should continue with Microsoft account, because in Microsoft we can register with phone number. And well, we should open our Telegram bot, find it. Okay, find Sms-man bot. Okay, and we should choose our personal account, choose it, and we should buy phone number. Okay, buy it. Choose country. We have many countries, and for example, I chosen Great Britain. Okay. Chosen services. We need Microsoft. Okay. And after with that, we continue, and we have phone number. Okay. After that, inside of ChatGPT, we trying to find a Great Britain phone number. Find it. Find. Oh, okay. Plus 44. Choose it. Bro, choose it. Go next. Password. And after a chosen password, we should give information about us. More information, our country and birthday. Okay, go next. And do simple exercises to confirm our account. Okay, we should take a phone code on our phone number, and we should click on Get SMS in our Telegram bot. After that, we can get code. Okay, after that, we should tell about us. And after that, we complete register in ChatGPT and verify your phone number. Okay, do it again. Open our Telegram bot. We can use number for Microsoft or buy new, something new, okay. Well, personal account, choose country, and I would like to take a Germany phone number. Okay. After that, chosen platform and confirm and get SMS. Well, it's very simple. And that's all about register an ChatGPT account. So that's all what you should know about register in ChatGPT. My name is Nikita. It is SMS-man channel. Bye.